So, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy. So, today I'm back not with a new concept but with a new story. This story is really close to my heart because it has helped me to find a lot of answers to many of my questions. So, I thought of sharing this wonderful story with you all so that you all can get benefit from it. So, only one request, please watch the video till the end and listen carefully because this is a very beautiful story and it is a very old story. So, wasting no further time, let us start with the story. Once upon a time, in a very old village, there was an old woman who was searching for something on the street. She was searching for something under the street light in the street. So, some people who were just around her saw that she is searching for something very badly and thought of helping her. So, they went towards her and asked her, "What is it that you are searching so badly?" She said, "I have lost my needle." She said, "I have lost my needle." So the people said to her, "The street is so big, and how can you search for this needle which is so small in the whole street?" So the people asked her, "Please tell us the exact location where you dropped the needle so that we can help you find it." She paused for a while and said, "I have lost the needle in my house." She said, "I have lost my needle in my house, in my home." The people got extremely confused and then they asked her, "If you have lost your needle inside your house, then why are you searching it on the streets?" She said, "I am searching it on the street only because there is light under this street. In my house there is no light, there is only darkness. That is the only reason, because I am not searching it in the house but I am searching it in the streets." The confused people said, "But you won't find it at all on the street because you have lost it in the house." So again she replied with the same answer, "There is no light in my house but there is light under this street, so I am searching it under the streets." So this was the only story, but the way you can connect it with yourself is, many a times we try searching for happiness in the outer world without realizing the fact that it is lost inside of us. We keep searching for happiness in materialistic things, in different forms, different people, different places, but the real happiness is inside of us. So when we are lost of happiness, when we don't find any happiness, what we do is we try to run in the outside world and we try to search for happiness. That is by, for example, someone may buy an expensive car, someone may buy expensive house, but that is all temporary happiness. That is not permanent happiness. So we keep searching for happiness in the outside world, but the real happiness, where it is lost, is our inside. It is in our own self that the real happiness is lost, and we should find it in our own selves. We should not search for happiness in the outside world because it is present in ourselves. So you can see, relate this thing to the story, like the woman was searching for the needle in the streets when she had lost it in her house. Same way we search for happiness in the outside world when we have lost it inside of us. So this was the only story. So I hope using this story you can relate many forms to this story. For example, not only happiness but different emotions you can connect with this story. So I hope you found it useful, helpful, motivating and inspiring, because it has personally helped me a lot. So I will bring ahead more such amazing stories, motivational stuff, some amazing book reviews which you surely will enjoy. I'm trying out some new forms to integrate my method of speaking with technological stuff by using whiteboard animations. But thank you so much for supporting. Till then, wish you lots of luck, positivity, and happiness from my side. This is A Path by Ved. Thank you.